Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session. In this video, I'm going to cover previous slot questions which are already happened in 12th June. And we already completed a couple of videos on your Accenture preparation. If you guys have missed those videos, watch those videos which are available in my playlist. If you go through all the videos, you can able to understand the approach of each and every question. We are done with individual topic wise. We are done with all the previous year 2023 questions. So go through all the videos, guys. If you are go through the videos, definitely I will promise you can able to answer all the 35 questions in critical reasoning, problem solving, and abstract reasoning. So that is the promise, guys. So in my upcoming sessions also, I'm going to cover few more important concepts. So if you guys are new to our channel, guys, without any delay, let's start our session. Guys, try to solve these questions and post your answer in the comment section. Maruti, after this session, so you can see this video on our channel. I don't know. I never delete any videos after my sessions. So you can go through that after this live session. No worries. And I will share this PDF in my Telegram channel. You can follow us, search V2VVK. You can get my Telegram channel and follow me and take this material or different content already available. You can download and practice for your exams. Okay. Answer this question. Now see here the numbers 0.5, 3, 4, 10, 18 dash. See what can be the next number according to this series. Guys, you have to understand the basic concept while seeing these kind of numbers. If you go through the difference, first difference you will get in decimals, but after that you never get any difference in terms of decimals. Definitely it is invalid. Let us assume in the way, sir, maybe the difference may be a double. Difference between 0.5 and 3 is 2.5, right? 3 and 1 is 1. So 2.51, there is a no specific series. Why? Because see, first one is high, means larger number like a 2.5. Next one is 1, it is decreases. 4 become a 10, it again it is increases. And 10 become a 18, again it is increases. So you should understand that it is, you never get this logic through differences. That is the first point. Second one, we have only one possible with a multiplication. Let's go through the multiplication. Is 0.5 is multiplied with a 2. Let us take this in this way. 0.5 is multiplied with a 2. If you add plus 2, why? Because 0.5 into 2 is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Yes, you will get this number. But how 3 become a 4? Again, you have to multiply with a 1. Why? Because if you want to add 3 into 1 plus 1. But according to the series, 2, 2, 1, 1 and next value should be 0.5 and 0.5. But that is not at all happen. Let's go through that another case. Still, you can multiply with a 2, but 3 into 2 is equal to 6. But if you subtract the two values, then it becomes a 4. Then it may be an alternative approach. Now, next one, see if 4 into 2 plus 2, it becomes exactly equal to 10. Yes, you will get the next number. If 10 is multiplied by 2, 20 minus of 2 is equal to 8, final number. 18 into 2 plus 2. According to this series, you have to add. So if we add these numbers, 18 to 36 plus 2 is equal to 38. Yes, very good, Nana Lasthi. 38 is the correct answer. Yes, that is the sequence. So it's a constant multiplication. Every time we are adding 2 units and subtracting 2 units in the series. Let's go through that coding and decoding concept. Yes. In a certain code language, the word breathe is written as UEFJJB. How word adjure is written in that language? Answer this question again. It's from the coding and decoding concept. Breathe. Guys, if you identify the alphabetical position or reverse alphabetical position of any letter, then you can easily to solve any questions in letter series, letter analogy, and coding and decoding. So try to remember at least alphabetical. In my past videos, I already told you guys like how to remember all the alphabetical position and how to remember the reverse alphabetical positions. So let me help you out how to remember all the alphabetical positions. First one, this is the familiar word. Let's use the word isoti. It is all about five multiples, guys. The fifth letter, 10th letter, 15th letter, 20th letter, and 25th letter. Just remember this one. Next one, you can easily remember T as a 20. Reason behind this, T20 cricket. That's why we can easily remember that T alphabetical position is 20. And while go through the V symbol, victory we always represented with the two fingers. That's why 2020. See, V is all about 22. Two fingers, 22 is the alphabetical position. Now you already know the pairs. UV in Telugu industry we have a UV creation, right? So UV is the adjacent letter. If V is 22, definitely UV is 21. Now EF is a consecutive positions like fifth position and sixth position. And J you already know that in isoti J is represented 10. Let's go through the B. You already easily remember 2 and A is all about 1. If you go through the H, if you close above arc and below arc, it looks like 8 shape. So H is 8. Now you know that E is 15. If you go through the R again, if you close, still it become a 8 shape, right? If H is 8, R become 8. So in this way, try to remember all the alphabetical position. Let me help you out how to remember reverse alphabetical position. Guys, if you know the alphabetical position for any letter, sum of alphabet and reverse alphabetical position always equal to 27. If you want reverse alphabetical position, 27 minus alphabets. That's a simple one. 27 minus alphabets. For example, if U is equal to 21, 21 is about the alphabetical position. What about the reverse alphabetical? Guys, any letter, sum of alphabet and reverse alphabetical value is equal to 27, then the reverse alphabetical becomes 6. So just remember this point. Any letters, sum of alphabet and reverse alphabetical position value is equal to 27. Or, let me tell you this point. If you remember the opposite pair, guys, interchange the opposite pair numbers. It became alphabet and reverse alphabet. In my previous session, many times I told you how to remember the alphabetical pairs. Let's use this one. Let me repeat all the alphabetical opposite pairs with the help of different names. I'm using these names for myself. Azaruddin, AJ. So A alphabetically is 1 and Z alphabetically is 26. It means opposite interchange means A alphabetically is 1, A reverse alphabetical 26. Z alphabetically is 26, Z reverse alphabetically is 1. So in this way, you have to remember the alphabeticals. Let's use the second word, boy. I'm using this word, boy, B-Y. B alphabetically is 2, Y alphabetically is 25. If we interchange, it become alphabet and reverse alphabet. You know the climax, movie climax, CX. CX is the opposite pair. You can interchange the position of C and X, it become alphabet and reverse alphabet. You know one of the famous cricketer, David Warner, GW is the opposite pair. Now, electrical vehicle, EV vehicles, EV is the opposite pair, simply interchange. For you, general text form, FU is the opposite pair. Grand test, we already done with many tests in our past, GD is the opposite pair. Next one, HS, we know the twin cities like Hyderabad and Secunderabad. I can easily remember with that those cities, HS is the opposite pair. You know the one of the world famous politicians, Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi, IR is the opposite pair. Next one, you know the playing cards. So JQ is the sequence. You can get in the sequence cards here, Jack and Queen, JQ. Next one, elbow love. Let's just remember in this way, elbow. Next one, finally, man, MAN, man. MN is the opposite pair. So these are the different opposite pairs. If you remember that, you can memorize both alphabetical and the reverse alphabetical position. So that is the concept you require, guys. But if you see the logic here, so it is plus 3 and it is plus 3. Again it is plus 6, plus 5, again plus 5. This is plus 2, and plus 2. Follow the same logic here. Based on that, AD, JU, RE. So this is all about plus 3. This is all about plus 5. This is all about plus 2. And you know that D is fourth letter. We require seventh letter. First letter is G. Eliminate option B and C. And A is the first letter. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Fourth letter is G. Next one, U21 plus 5 is 26. 26 we require Z. So according to the options, we can able to see in the option A. Very good, Nandarajdeep. Now go through the remaining one. You will get O here, you will get G here, you will get G here. Why? Because R is 18, E is 5, C is 10. Add all these numbers according to the pattern. Hope you understand the whole concept. This is the concept you require to solve these kind of questions. You must get the positions like alphabetical and reverse alphabetical. And you have to remember all the opposite pairs. Definitely you can expect the logics based on the position or opposite pair. So remember this concept. Next, again series. Now here are the numbers 4, 7, 25, 9, 12, 30. If you observe the number to number, there is no proper sequence here. Guys, I told you many times, if it is not a proper sequence, you verify alternatively. Means, if you verify in this way, you can see the closest numbers like 4, 9 and 14. And the 7, 12 and 17. 25, 30 and 35. If you want next three numbers, you have to follow this logic. Now 4, it become plus 5. 9 become plus 5. So definitely here you have to replace with a 19. Yes. If you want further numbers, just go through the same logic here. Plus 5 and plus 5. 17 plus 5. So exactly equal to 22. Finally here 25, 30, 35, 40. So according to this question, 19 is the correct answer. Next. Guys, let me tell you one important point here. See, there is a two formats in this kind of model. A is called as B. If A is called as a B, remember guys, A is board, original code. It's called as original code. And you have to replace with a code language. B is code language. Remember this point. Here A is the original code and B is the code language. There is another way of representation. A means B. Guys, A means B means we here A is defined with the help of B. That is the exact meaning. It means in this information B is the original code. B is the original code and A is code language. Remember these 2 points. And whether here the format is belongs to the is called information or means information. Look into this data. In a certain code language, sky is called as water. Water is called as earth. Earth is called as fire. Fire is called as stone. Whenever does fish live? Where does fish live? First, you have to identify the original and you have to replace with the code language. That is the exact pattern. So, where you can see the fish, first you have to identify the original answer. Then you have to define with the code language. And the code language is your option. Now see, fish lives in water. Water is called as earth. According to the options, you have to choose earth. Nana. Yes. So fish lives in water. Water is called as earth. So here option is earth. Very good. Next, ranking concept, guys. Yesterday I already uploaded the ranking concept and equality concept. If you missed that video, watch it, guys. In that video, I done with the entire concept and approaches for different questions. Go through that video and don't miss that. In inequalities and ranking concept, definitely you can expect a question in your exam. See, in a class test, each student receive unique rank. X rank is 25th from top, which is 6 ranks below of Y. Then Mr. Z is middle of X and Y. Then what will be the Z's rank from top of the class? So you have to identify that what is the Z ranks from the top of the class. Now, according to the data, see, let's take that here the person is X. Here the rank of X is 25th from top. You have to understand that above X there are 24 people. That is point number one. Now, which is means they are talking about X. X is 6 ranks below of Y. Let us take that Y here. 6 ranks below means there are 5 people between them. 5 people between them. It means above of Y, you have to identify that how many people are there. Guys, including 24, there is a Y. In 5, it is excluding 5. It means including Y, above we have 18 people. Means including Y, so total 19, but above Y, there are 18 people. Now here the question. Z is exactly middle between X and Y. It means see, here there are 2 people between them, here 2 people between them. Here the question, what is the rank of Z from the top end? Now here 18 plus 1 19, 19 plus 2 21. You have to include Z also. If you include Z, see, above Z 21 people. But according to the question, you have to define Z's position. That's why answer is 26. This is pure concept. Otherwise, guys, just identify the middle position. Means see, here Y's position is exactly 19th, 19th, and X position is exactly 25th. What is the between position here? 19 plus 25 divided by 2. So some value is 44 divided by 2, 22. But you have to understand the concept, how we are represent each and every information in the data. I request all the students, please like our video, guys. If you like our video, it reaches to the maximum number of people. Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon, guys. You never miss any updates from our channel. We are updated new content in our YouTube channels for your references and practices. Now see, there is a 5 friends ABCD are sitting in a room, but not necessarily in the same order. Guys, if direction is not mentioned, that linear arrangement priority always consider for facing north. If it is a north, so let's take this right condition and left condition. So this is all about linear arrangement. If you solve any questions in circular arrangement, if the direction is not mentioned, consider always towards each other. Towards each other. See, while solving any questions in seating arrangements, foremost important point, identify who are sitting right side and who are sitting left side. That is most important. Otherwise, if you don't understand representation of right and left, it creates the confusion in the given questions. That's why my suggestion fix right and left conditions while solving any sitting arrangement questions. Now see, so first we have to fix the right and left. Now go through the information. A is sitting intermediate left of B. Intermediate means it's a immediate. So A is immediate left of B. End means A. Again they are talking about A. Guys, end and but they are talking about first person. You can see the words like who, which, whom. It is always refers the second person. So understand that connectivity. So A is sitting intermediate left of B and end means B is immediate right of C. B is immediate right of C. Sorry. End is means they are talking about A. So A is the immediate right of C. End means B is sitting somewhere right of B. Somewhere right of B. So we know that we have a 5 friends. They clearly mention that somewhat means it's not an immediate position. So D is sitting somewhere right of B. And E is sitting between B and D. We are done with the arrangement. So all the data available. No need to analyze any given data. I have the question, who is sitting immediate right of E? According to the information, immediate right of E is very good, Rajdeep. Rajdeep, definitely you can crack your Accenture. You are very good at it. So what I observed from last couple of live sessions, you are able to solve all the questions in abstract and critical and problem solving. So my suggestion, you have to move focus on verbal part and the coding part. Please, you spend more time on that. And definitely you can clear your written test. You have very good analytical skills, what I observed from the last couple of live sessions. Keep going and keep practicing until you achieve your dream job. If you have any questions, feel free to text me in the Instagram or Telegram. We always ready to serve you guys, there for you also. Whenever you have any questions, any suggestions if you want from my end, so you can feel free to reach me through any of either Telegram or Instagram or Facebook. All the links are available, guys. Next, let's go through this question again. It's a ranking concept. Guys, go through this ranking concept. Definitely you can expect a question. 56, Samir. 56. Very good. Now see, in a class, Rex was ranked 23rd from bottom. Okay, there is a person, Rex. 23rd from bottom means after Rex, 22 people are available. Always you have to exclude the people, remember that. But that is my approach. But if you are interested, you can include always. But check those numbers. And the same person is 32nd from top. Means above there are 31 people. If you go through the information, total number of people exactly equal to 54. So in this information, total number of people is 54. So next information, what is the position of Max from the bottom? Guys, there is another person. We have to identify the position of Max from the bottom in the same class. If he at the nth position from top, guys, Max somewhere. We don't know that Max somewhere. And they clearly mention that Max position is. So including Max, it is exactly nth position. Now, what about that after max? How many people are there? You know, the total count is 54. After max, we have 54 minus n people. Guys, according to the data, after max, number of people is 54 minus n. But here the question, you have to identify the max position from both. Max position from bottom means you have to include that person also. If you have to include that person, then it becomes 55 minus n. Samir, please check that you missed one basic information. Don't forget that kind of information. It's 55 minus n, not 56 minus n. Very good. On to the next question. Guys, syllogisms again. So you can go through the video. It's already uploaded, means updated in my channel. Go through that concept also. Almost, I mean, in that video, I've covered more than 20 to 30 questions, guys. Go through that video. You can able to understand the concept and approaches in syllogism. It's all about how you understand the statement and how you will retrieve the conclusions from the pictures. Now, see, they mentioned that all apples are fruit. No fruit is vegetable. Guys, understand that statement in this way. Entire apple is belongs to the fruit, but you cannot merge fruit into the vegetable. That is the restriction you have in the statement. See, according to the statements, if fruit is not vegetable, apple is also not vegetable. Why? Because if you want to assume any relation apple into the vegetable, you are directly connected fruit into the vegetable also. Reason behind this, entire apple is belongs to the fruit, right? If fruit is not belongs to the vegetable, apple is also not belongs to the vegetable. You cannot, what I called as, you cannot assume the relation among apple to vegetable and fruit to vegetable. If you assume any kind of relations, remember guys, if you assume any kind of relations, you are violating the statement. Remember one point while solving any questions in syllogism. You can go with any assumptions, but you can't disturb the statement. Means you can't change. Remember that point. No apple is vegetable. Yes, you can able to see that information. The entire fruit means entire fruit is not a part of vegetable, but apple is a part of fruit. Apple is not a part of vegetable. We can conclude that kind of conclusions. Now, all fruits are vegetable, guys. All fruits are vegetable. Definitely, it is an invalid conclusion. Why? Because all apples into the fruits, you can able to see that information in the picture, but you can't see apple into the vegetable or fruit into the vegetable. That is invalid conclusion. So, answer option one. Try this question. Guys, understand the picture. See, statement itself clearly mentioned that all ships are vessels, all boats are ships. Means boat, entire boat is a part of ship, entire ship is a part of vessel. So we can say that entire boat is also part of vessel according to the picture. Now all boats are vessels. Yes, it's a valid conclusion. No boat is vessel. It's a invalid. Mention that you can't see boat into the vessel, you can't see vessel into the boat, but you can able to see that in the picture, right? So it is again invalid conclusion. Some boats are not vessels. Again, see. Remember, if statements are positive, like positive statements, all guys, it always concludes positive conclusions. Positive conclusions means all come as. Remember, any positive statements never gives negative conclusions. So what about the negative conclusions? No is a negative conclusion. Some not is a negative conclusion. All not is a negative conclusion. You never get negative conclusions from positive statements. You never get positive conclusions from negative statements. This is the information you know. So you can conclude that B and C is a negative conclusion you never get from the positive statement. That's why statement A is valid. Next. Move to this question. Try this one. Again, this question from coding and decoding concept. Now see, in a certain code language, fire is coded as 122, love is 108. Then how cuddle is coded in the same code language? Guys, this is for you. So just try to solve this question after this session and post your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to attempt this question. Try this and post your answer in the comment section. Let's move to the next question. Again, coding and decoding question concept. Now see, if you can win is coded as joy, ni, so, SOP. Can you do is coded as SOPNEET. Do you play is coded in that language. Guys, this kind of questions you have to understand that if words is repeated, definitely code language is also repeated. If you observe that, see, can is repeated, you you is repeated. Definitely two code languages are repeated. Those all about me and SOP, me and SOP. But we are not sure with exact. See, we are not sure with what is the code language of you. We are not sure with code languages can. But these two words can be suitable for any SOP. But we can conclude it about win. So win is all about JOE. Next one, do is all about TEE. Let's go through this question. Do you play? So do you play? So do you play? So do is all about TEE. So you you can be either NEE or SOP. So what about the place? So it's a place, a different word. Definitely, you have to choose different code languages. See, any new word always requires new code language. See, so we require TEE. So we require TEE. So you can eliminate E by because you can't see those options TEE, right? So T is not. We require that word. See, T is available. T is available. T is available. Next one, we require one of the word like NEESOP. So SOP is available. SOP is available. NE is available, and both are not available in T. So D is also eliminated. So either it can be a B or C. Next one, as I mentioned that definitely we required a new word language. Joey is already repeated with, but it's a new word. You have to represent it with a new code language. C is the correct answer. Razi and Raj. Check those answers. None. It's C. Let's go through this question again. Number series 9, 8, 27, 11 dash. Try to answer this question. One, 2, 3, 5, 9, 8, 27, 11. So what is the answer for this question? Again, see after 27, 11 means now try this question. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, 8, 27, and 11. Now see, now see the information again. See 1, 3, 9, 27. See 1 into 3, 3 into 3, 9 into 3, and according to the sequence 27 into 3. So 7, 3 is 21, 60, and the value become 81. You can able to see that option. Again, it's all about alternative series. Alternative series. Again, see here 2 and 5, 3 units, 5 and 8, 3 units, 8 and 11, 3 units. If you want further number, then it becomes 14. But according to the options, 81 is the correct answer. Next, I'll go through this question. Now, see in a 6 girls, in a park there is a 6 girls, OPQRST. So it's not okay, OPQRST. Okay. Sitting in a row, not the facing, that's what. See, total we have 6 people. 3, 4, 5, 6. And see, right side people and left side people. and 4 girls sit between P and Q. So this information carries all the 6 people, right? But we are not sure with the PQ positions, but we can conclude that both are sits at extreme end. 2 girls sitting between R and S. 4 positions left. Again, you can occupy these 2 positions either R and S. P and T are sitting left of 4. P, T are sitting left of 4. So we can say that this is 3 and this is 4. P, D are sitting left of 4. So we can say that P here. So you can say this is Q. R is sitting next to the P. So R is next to the sitting P. So we can say that this is S. So no need to analyze any information directly given in the data. Then who is sitting immediate left of Q? Guys, immediate left of Q is S. This is the correct answer. Next, from blood relation concept. Now see, Sarah is the sister of Manoj. Sarah is sister of Manoj. Manoj is father of Tanya. See, let's use the gender indication. Male is positive, female is negative. Kavita is mother of Sarah. Kavita is mother of Sarah. So in this information, we know the genders of all these persons. How is Tanya related to Kavita? So definitely it is a grand position and it's all about below of Kavita. So either it's a granddaughter. It's a granddaughter. Next. Serious question. Guys, don't forget to share this information with your class friends or whoever preparing for the upcoming examinations. Our content will help their preparation. So kindly share this information with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel, whoever you do our channel. So Navya is a granddaughter. Okay, Navya good. Samir good. Rasdeep, keep going. Keep practicing at least either minutes or hours in a day preparation. Guys. Don't miss this opportunity. This is one of the good opportunity in engineering level. Like for the graduation students, don't leave this opportunity. If you clear your written test, maximum your selection is confirmed. Guys. See, most of the students they are eliminated in the written test round only. Most of the students, what I observed from the last couple of years. So, guys, reasoning is not at all sufficient for your preparation. You have to practice verbal ability and coding also. See, selection means if you want to clear your written test, all the skills are important. Go through the YouTube, use the YouTube proper way, guys. There are many trainers or faculty members who are providing the content with a free of cost. Use all such kind of resources for your preparation. Whenever you free, go through the YouTube and learn all the coding skill or reasoning skill or verbal skill. I'm not talking about my YouTube channel. See, there are many channels are available. My suggestion, go and learn it and support all the faculty members who are trying means who are providing training with a free of cost. So we are expecting only one thing support means in terms of like or subscribe our channels. So go and watch all the videos in my YouTube channel or you can go through the any random YouTube channel. Doesn't matter, but ultimately you have to learn the content and get your dream job. That is my suggestion. Now see total we have a 8 people who are sitting in a circle. Guys, fix n somewhere in the circle. If you fix, you can able to identify the remaining positions. Let us assuming that this is n's position. You can assume any position, no issues. You can fix the j, third left, first left, second left, third left. I'm using this indication. I'm going to fix j. After that we have mentioned that q is the third right of n, first right, second right, third right. Let's fix q. And means again they are talking about q. Q is opposite to the p. Q is opposite to the p. Let's fix the p here. Next information, M sits between J and P. M sits between J and P. We already know that J and P. Let's take the M here. Next data, L is sitting opposite of J. L is sitting opposite of J. Let's fix the L here. Next information, we have forward one more data. Say M is sits between J and P and M is opposite to the K. M is opposite to the K. And there is a one alphabetical is left. Let's see. Another question, what is Q's position? Next to J. Next to J is an invalid option. Next one, third to the left of M. Third left of M. So see, first left, second left, third left. Yes, it is a third left of M. Whereas for aptitude Accenture, there is a no specific questions in aptitude. Only ages concept. And remaining all about the reasoning part. See, ages from the aptitude topic and remaining all the questions from the reasoning itself. See, focus on coding and decoding, number series, ranking, inequality, seating arrangement, and pictorials, guys. All kind of pictures you can expect almost 10 to 10 to 12 different questions, and all these questions is already we are discussed in our previous videos. Go and watch all the videos. You can able to understand that what are the different models you may expect in your exam. Still, if you have any questions, you guys, this is my Instagram page and this is my Telegram page. Follow us. If you have any queries, feel free to text me in any of the social. We are there for you. We are support to your careers also. Whatever the questions you have, if you have any career related like what I call as a confusions, whatever that you can text me through either Telegram or Instagram. So this is all about today's session. Until the next session, have a nice day and good night, guys.